the next asana that we're going to try is called Vrikshasana, because it resembles a tree. That's why it's called Vrikshasana. To do this asana, basically you stand on top of the mat, you lift one leg up and place it on your inner thigh, and then you basically have to make an Anjali Mudra in your chest, then raise up and extend it over your head. Your arm should be right next to your ears and you should be looking forward. So this asana improves your concentration, it also improves the strength in your thighs, it also strengthens your shoulder. So you can practice this asana daily to make sure your entire body is toned correctly. It will also improve your spinal posture. So if you're someone who's working a day job, this is extremely helpful for you. You will be able to focus more, you will be able to concentrate more using this asana. You can practice this for 30 to 40 seconds. If you are comfortable, you can practice it even longer for maybe 1 minute. So if you are pregnant, you can practice this using a wall. If you have some spinal injury, you can avoid it. If you have vertigo, you should definitely avoid it because this is a balancing tool.